What's up, everybody, and welcome back to All Practice, where we want to do some good and stuff. This is a special video because it's the very first All Practice food video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious tomato salad. It's wicked easy to make and healthy. And you also get to see the All Practice kitchen for the very first time. Let's get started. I've been a cook for most of my professional life. I started in kitchens when I was 14. At 16, I was cooking. I bounced around for years and years doing all kinds. But in 2007, I got a position at a high-end, trendy place in downtown Boston. To say it was different would be an understatement. To paraphrase Yoda, I had to unlearn what I had learned. This salad was on the menu at that restaurant. It doesn't get old for me. I use it as a healthy snack these days. Here's how you can make it. Alright, first things first, this is what you're gonna need. Salt, pepper, tomatoes, fresh mint, green beans, extra virgin olive oil, and sherry vinegar. You're also going to need a pot to boil some water in, and an ice bath. And make sure you wash your fucking hands. First step in everything, grab a knife. Put some cold water into a pot. Make sure to put some salt in there. Put that right on the stove, if the stove works. Rinse off your veggies nice and clean. Don't want any bacteria. You can get your ice bath ready. Some cold water. While the water's heating up, you can cut up your veggies. Get the ends off your green beans. Hadouken them right into the water. You can put your ice bath right next to it. That's where it's going. Now these green beans aren't something you want to walk away from. This is called blanching. You want the beans to be nice and bright and green. And I'm in my mom's kitchen, using that old ass pot. It's older than me. And I'm looking around, trying to find a better scoop. Can't find any. Using a fork to shovel up in there. There we go. Oh yeah. No. Not working. No. I'll just use my fucking hands. There we go. There we go. Oh, we lost one. There we go. There we go. Now, you really don't want to use that bean that dropped. It's dirty. Probably burnt. All soft. Throw it in there anyway. Bloop. Now you can chop up your mint. Stack them up. Give it a good chop. Now, here's a way to guarantee the salad is perfect. Tomato flavor varies, even among the same type of tomato. What I recommend is for you to buy a few types of tomatoes and choose which one has the best flavor at that time. However, heirloom tomatoes are pretty much a guarantee for the most and best flavor. If they're available, they are worth the price. Throw those right up in the bowl. Slice and dice. Throw your mint in there. When you get around to it, take your green beans out of the ice bath. They're nice and cold now. Bright green, crunchy. Let those dry off nice and good. Use a paper towel if you're in a rush, or if you don't feel like waiting. When they're nice and dry, throw them right in the bowl with the tomatoes. Throw your mint in there. Almost done. Throw in some black pepper. I like a lot. Medium grain, medium size. Not too big, not too small. Now with vinaigrettes, you usually go 4-to-1 oil to vinegar ratio. But I really enjoy sherry vinegar, so I'm going to go about 3-to-1. Put a little extra vinegar in there. This vinegar is the key to the salad, the sherry vinegar. The more acidic, the better. I could only find the 8% at the supermarket, so shucks for me. But I recommend the 11%. I've never seen any higher than that. Give that a toss. Save the salt for the very end because it draws moisture out of the tomatoes. Tossy tossy. Put that right on the plate. You're good to go. Stack it up. Whoop, broken tomato. It's okay. So if you want the salad to be even better, if it's not good enough for you, and you're just, like one of those people who isn't French but still says things like ciao and vino, you can still make it a little bit better. Use Harricot Verts instead of green beans. They're only slightly better, but it would be another talking point for you to use in your journey to try and trick people into thinking you're cultured and whatnot. So, that's it. Enjoy! So there you have it, a delicious tomato salad. How about that? I hope you're able to check it out. So what I have planned next for All Practice is a video on worldview and politics. It might be a two-parter, but it's definitely going to be a doozy. And as always, the All Practice promise. If you want to live forever, like and subscribe. Have a good one.